If you want to create an automation on iPhone 17, then in that case we can go to the Shortcuts app that you can find by default in the Utilities folder in here, in the home screen. It is over here, or you can go to the app library and find it over there. Now once you go to Shortcuts, you should be able to switch to Automation over here at the bottom, and you can press New Automation. You can also go to Gallery over here in order to find some bunch of different already pre-made automations that you can immediately add. So you don't have to create something by yourself, you can just use one of these options. Like for example, we have a meme maker over here and some other stuff as well. We can also remove background from an image and so on and so forth. So we're gonna go to automation and we can also press create new animation, and over here we have to just go through all of these options in order to choose to pretty much set up the automation. First we select the automation that runs on our iPhone. So let's say we're gonna start with the let's say Wi-Fi, and let's say that if we choose the network, so let's say I'm gonna choose the network that I'm currently in, that I'm connected to right now, and if I join to the network, or maybe if I disconnect from the network, and then we can run after confirmation. Let's go next, and then we can choose what should happen when that happens, when the condition is met. So for example, I can set the cellular data and I can turn it on or off. Of course, we can just toggle or be asked each time, but let's say if I get disconnected from Wi-Fi, I can enable cellular or mobile data, and there we go, we can press this check. We can of course add multiple different things over here. But there we go. I can also add something like the other way, like if I disconnect from the network, then I can disable, sorry, if I connect to the network, then I can disable, I don't know, I'm messing things up, but you get the idea. I can just make it the other way around as well. Nevertheless, that's pretty much it. Remember that you can check out the gallery and you can go through the pretty huge list of different options in order to create an automation for yourself. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.